up, guys? This is K-Doc from X Unlimited, and looks like we got disconnected from the server. I was gonna do an airport tour today. I don't know why we got disconnected. That was a weird start to the video. I have an airport in this game. Touch to claim. This is already, it might look like a starter place, but you can see I ain't no starter over here. 100+ games. Sweet. Alright, I'm gonna do an airport tour today. So, this is kind of like roleplay. Got the entrance over here. If you go in my airport, there's lasers so no thieves can get in. And there's an automatic door. There's some security over here. You have to put your luggage down there. Pretty interesting place. And then you can sit here to wait for your turn, chillax, and then security. And this is the lounge. While you're waiting for your flight, you can just sit back here and relax, lounge a little bit. Ooh, we have some Bloxy. I love me some Bloxy. Okay, that sounds pretty weird. Yes, we have Bloxy. This cost me a lot to make. It took a long time to make this, anyways. And then, there's some more people there waiting for their flight. This is the exit. I'm gonna buy some planes later on today. Maybe I'll do that off camera. Maybe I'll do a second episode to this. And then you can see we're back at the entrance area. Now, if we go up the stairs to the second floor, I haven't really done anything too much. Again, luggage comes out, oops, gotta go through the security. There's some security here you have to go through. Then, well, I can afford a roof. Rich. Not trying to flex or anything. And then you can see there's some guys making some food for you. It's very nice. Today we're going to be extending this plot. Yes, we are. I just bought a bat because I'm rich. Okay, now we gotta go back, boys. We done got broke. Okay. So today we're going to be expanding the airport a little bit more, upgrading it. But I think it's pretty good. Maybe today we'll even buy our first plane, if we can, if it works, of course. Let me see how much. 400,000 and 150,000 for a starter plane. Jeez, these planes. Okay, I can expand my plot because I like to. Alright, so today we're going to be expanding and upgrading a lot. So, I think it's going to be a very interesting video. The downside of this video, I have to walk forward. Welcome. Okay, I'm going to buy that. Sounds interesting. So, yeah. I have upgraded my base a little bit more. Because when I'm showing this video, there's of course, the base didn't build itself, the airport didn't build itself. Ooh. Got a road and a welcome sign. It looks pretty nice. I'm gonna, expand my airport and then I'll see you guys later. Just a normal day in the lounge, nothing too special, just reading a magazine, waiting for my money to go up. Guys, look at this! Look how much it's grown! I'm gonna see you guys when I'm gonna buy a plane. As you can see, my cash is getting close to buy a plane. Well, I'm excited. It's looking amazing. I'll see you later. Guys, I think I have upgraded this place enough for it to be a full airport. Let's do this! So, I think I upgraded this place good enough, As always, security door, open sesame. These are the, put your luggage in there. First person's kind of hard, okay. And then, as usual, we got the lounge. Nothing changed on this building. I bought some more food and stuff. That's all that changed. We'll get to that building later. Let me just zoom out a little bit, make it more comfortable. You know, sitting area, nothing changed too much. Yeah, blah blah. Oh, I forgot to do this last time. I have a TV that turns on. Very cool. And go upstairs, more luggage putting area, security. We got some chefs here serving people. More chefs. Now this part has changed. You guys haven't seen this part. There's a fountain. Very nice waiting area. We jumped down. Well, I don't want to jump down. I didn't want to jump down. We have the by the okay, we got the worker uniforms. That's pilot. I wore the pilot uniform because it just looks great. And then if we go to here, we have this nice little house, plane watching house. Sorry, I had to go for a second there. You know, business taken care of. We got this thing. Why am I sitting down? It's disco time. And that was the end of Disco Man. Very weird. I hope that DJ Cook's not gonna roast me like he does to others. Now, I really haven't figured out how to fly this plane yet. By the way, the reason I'm screaming is because Holy, what's happening? What's happening to the camera? Look up! Oh, I'm flying my first plane! This is too good to be true! Look at this! I'm flying my first plane! Oh, this is fun! Oh, look at this! I'm literally flying my first plane. Okay, turn engine off. Nice landing. I think we should land it where it's supposed to go. Okay. Everybody ready to get flying off? Ready to fly out? This is Captain K-Dog requesting flight. Jesus! Oh my god, okay. I think we ruined the starter ship, guys. Starter plane, whatever. I think we ruined it. I think I get it respawned. Right, I'm gonna play this place even more, so stay tuned. Guys, I have very great news. I have finished, well, not finished, I still have a lot of stuff, but I have bought 2 planes, starter plane, and oh, you just have to see it. It's a surprise, guys. It's a surprise. So, here we got the entrance. This is the main area. We got some waiting area. Put your luggage here, you know. Pick my cash up real quick. And then you got, you know, waiting area, another waiting area. And then the lounge. You all see the lounge. Wait, I'm a little thirsty. Let me drink some blocks. Okay. There's a mysterious guy here for some reason. Hey man, would you like some Bloxy? Never mind, he doesn't, I think. He's reading the magazine. Alright, then, if we go up, we got the security entrance, and there's where the luggage comes out. There you go. Food stand, another donut stand. And then you go here, you got a beautiful fountain area where you wait. This is illegal, by the way. In the game, if you are a passenger, you can't jump down because this is personal area only. And then, you know, there's the job suits over here. Okay. You know, I'm doing roleplay, that's why I said illegal. Or it's not illegal in real life. And then, if we go here, we got our watchtower? Yeah, watchtower. Where we can see everything in our area. Now let's go down. Oops, I forgot which one. Let's go down. Anyone want some disco party? Let's go disco party. Disco time, disco time, disco time, disco time. Disco time, disco time. Okay, disco time is over. That was very cringy. Got a starter plane. I'm gonna buy the, what is it? The twin propeller thing later. I'm gonna update you guys when I get there. And then we got the baggage car, which carries all the luggage. I don't know what it's called. Luggage. And then here we have our private plane for only me and only. It's gonna be only for me. Private jet. What do you think? I mean, let me know in the comments. I think it's a very good video. And it's only me and another person on the server. Alright, when I buy the twin propeller thing, I'm gonna update you guys. Guys, look what I have over here. The twin prop. Known as the twin prop, by the way. Yes, it's known as the twin prop. Kinda weird? I know, don't judge it. It's a plane. You should not judge planes. As you can see, you got passenger, whatever, like. And then if you want to drive it, you click E. Damn, this is a good plane. E, engine on. Let's go! This is like a passenger plane, actually. Woo! Doot, 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 doot. Go to my island again. Ah! Don't fall off. Please don't fall off. Where's my island? Ah, where's my island? I can always reset. Okay, my island's here. Engine off! Engine off! Engine off! Ooh, okay, that's a bad engine off. Oh my, that's bad. Okay, that's really bad. But that's it for the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. I might make a part 2. So see you guys in the next video. This is K-Dog from X Unlimited signing out.